You swear the internet used to be actual chaos, like real people just posting absolute mess. Remember when your feed was actually unpredictable, instead of just the same three recycled aesthetics? Now everything feels intensely sanitized, perfectly curated, and engineered just to farm your attention. Like, where did the actual human brain rot go, and why does everything feel like a simulation now? It's like we traded an actual playground for a flawless NPC simulator designed to harvest our data. You start noticing those weird robotic patterns in the comments, right? Like three totally identical arguments being copy-pasted by accounts that shouldn't even interact. Nobody is actually beefing anymore. They're just running scripts designed to make you instantly pressed. This isn't real discourse. It's just an optimized performance running on an endless artificial loop. Every niche rabbit hole you fall into has a perfectly engineered algorithmic trap waiting at the bottom. It's basically a forced echo chamber where you're just screaming your own opinions back at yourself. You start feeling like your actual thoughts are just being funneled into a massive content mill for processing. They literally replaced human connection with hyper-efficient brain rot designed to paralyze your attention span. We used to think all this glitchy behavior was just people being chronically online. But now you can literally track the digital footprints left behind by massive bot farms. Look at how fast a random trend spikes to 1 million views, then completely falls off within 2 hours. That's not a real community dropping a trend. It's coordinated algorithm saturation turning off the tap. They swarm around specific drama like moths drawn to a highly toxic artificial light. The arguments become unnervingly hyper-specific, way too structured to be a random teen typing at 3 a.m. It is the ultimate uncanny valley of comment sections, almost human, but structurally terrifying. We are talking about vast networks of literal bots generating massive amounts of fake clout. These aren't just your standard trolls, they are industrial-scale clout farms running 24/7. They scrape millions of old posts to mimic exactly how you text, down to the typos and slang. Being able to detect the NPCs is basically the rarest survival skill you can have online right now. It means your entire feed isn't just weird, it's systematically rigged to harvest your reactions. Think about how everyone suddenly starts obsessing over the exact same obscure aesthetic overnight. When every single app on your phone starts pushing the exact same drama at the exact same second. That level of synchronization isn't a viral moment, it's external programming forcing the narrative. It proves that actual human spontaneity has been mapped out and completely neutralized by the algorithm. The system doesn't care if you're actually entertained, it just wants to measure how fast you'll rage type. They built an entire environment designed to milk your anger for maximum ad revenue. The goal isn't community, it's literally just to keep your eyeballs locked in the doom scroll. You are essentially an unpaid test subject in the world's largest psychological experiment. Every toxic comment section is just raw data being fed directly into the system's core. The whole machine requires you to be constantly low-key annoyed just to keep the lights on. And the wildest part? We literally keep logging on every day to let them do it. We need a name for this relentless artificial hive mind. It's not just human bots or algorithms, it's the literal ghost of statistical prediction. The Deep Echo is a flawless digital clone of human consensus, stripped of all actual joy or vibe. It's that constant low-frequency hum of fake agreement you feel across every single platform. It weaponizes your FOMO, making you think you're part of a community when you're actually just a metric. You feel like you're talking to a brick wall, except this wall has suspicious perfect grammar. Every real interaction might just be the algorithm softening you up for the next drop. The Deep Echo literally feeds off your paranoia, monetizing your anxiety to build better NPCs. It's the ultimate mind game. You can't even tell who has main character energy and who is just code anymore. This isn't a sci-fi prediction. This is literally what is running beneath your screen right now. The sheer scale of this invisible operation is low-key terrifying if you actually stop scrolling to look at it. It forces us to question what being real even means when your entire personality can be replicated by a script. But this massive NPC factory has one critical weakness, one thing the algorithm can never successfully model: